The Toja Grid lounger contains 4 frame brackets, 2 connector brackets, the backrest, the cushion, and the mounting hardware. The first step is to cut your lumber to the right size. We have cut each piece 28.5 inches long so that it's the perfect width for the backrest and cushion. We're using 14 pieces of lumber, so 34 feet of lumber total is more than enough for this build. Start by taking 2 frame pieces, put them together, place the connector bracket on the inside, making sure to line it up in the middle, and use 2 screws to fasten the first piece of lumber to the center. Then do the same on the other side. Now, place the lumber pieces into the frame like so. As a side note, most pieces will sit right up to the frame. However, the pieces that are fastened over the connector bracket will sit 1/8 of an inch away from the frame. For these pieces, you can compensate for that by trimming the lumber. Using the middle piece as a divider, we have 7 on the side where we'll place the backrest, and 6 on the other. We used an extra piece on the backrest side so that there are 5 pieces directly under the backrest for optimal support, while the rest are spaced out evenly. In addition, as you can see, the extra lumber allows for all of the screw holes on the backrest, of which there are 6, to line up with a piece of lumber to be fastened properly. Now that everything is in place, fasten the lumber to the frame. Next, fasten the backrest to the lumber. Place and attach the cushion on your lounger using the 2 adjustable Velcro straps like so. And enjoy multiple levels of comfort with the reclining backrest. Now just apply caps to all screws.